INNERGY is different because they, first of all, offer this forum.
The forum gives us a lot of background, a lot of in-depth knowledge that you're not going to get with just software.
Competitors within our industry just sell software. We're more than that. We are unique from the perspective of we're selling you a solution. Software alone can't move an organization from that puberty stage into adulthood. It takes people, it takes leadership. It takes an organization to figure out what their position is within their industry, how they compete, and how that software will be used. And so INNERGY is unique from the perspective of we recognize that. It's not just software, but it's how that software gets implemented towards superior returns and success.
The forum is important because it opens your eyes to different ways of looking at your company, different ways of looking at everything from your bidding process all the way down to how you structure yourself within your industry.
It's about culture change, it's about practicalities, it's about basic knowledge that you have, but now you have a real direction on how to fulfill those goals and dreams that you've had for your company and for the people that are a part of your business.
It's a great learning experience, and it is done and structured in such a way that it is new. The case study method is not a learning experience that I have done before, and probably that many others haven't done before.
The class is case study based. We are not lecturing, I am not lecturing, I promise, I'm not that good at lecturing. It is really about using the Harvard case study model to look at other businesses that can apply to our industry. The best moment in this class is when I'm standing in the back of the room, and the class is having the dialogue in and of themselves about a subject or a debate.
The way Mark teaches the class, it's very us talking and us sharing ideas.
The class really takes on its own entity when you get in there and you start interacting with the other students.
Most every case that we've done, there's been something in our industry and within our company that we could relate to.
After the first week, I was absolutely on fire. I left the forum on a Friday, got to my office on Monday, and quit my job. I literally quit what I was doing, handed off my projects to someone else, and said, I have got to focus on these other things. So there's a lot of aha moments.
Attending the forum has been eye-opening. There is just completely different ways of looking at your business structure that without the education you have no idea exist.
We can be very efficient with software. We can be efficient with equipment. We can be efficient with how we purchase materials. But what we can't be efficient with is how an organization changes and develops and grows. The software is going to provide that opportunity for your organization to change immensely. That I will guarantee. But you have to get it done through your managers and your leaders. That's why we've put these two together, and nobody else in our industry has. Nobody else is offering the software and the education about how to make your business better. That's what makes us unique.